Would you like to unlock your financial freedom by breaking free from the chains of debt, take control of your destiny, and build your wealth on your own terms? Proverbs 22:7 says, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is a slave to the lender." We had much debt that made us become a slave to the creditors. In this video, we'd like to share with you how we found a vehicle that can break the chains of debt. This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people just like you from Toronto, Ontario, and we're online business owners.
For over 10 years, we had good jobs, but also had a mountain of debt. With the difficult financial times and a high cost of living, we had to spend more time working than getting out of debt. Our desire not to be slaves to the creditors was limited by our work schedule, and our debts kept piling up. We reached a point and started looking for ways to make passive income. We knew there was a solution, but we just didn't know what it was at that time.
By God's grace, we came upon a social media just like this one. It was from a couple running a successful online business. Their story inspired us on how they paid off their consumer debts, helped family, saved for the future, supported mission work, and even traveled the world. We clicked the link without hesitation, signed up, and that simple action changed our lives.
Our online business is up and running. It's bringing us closer to our dreams than ever before. Thanks be to God to this business, we have the opportunity to become debt-free and spend more time on the things that matter to us. If you are open to the idea of unlocking a new stream of income to pay off your debts and fulfill your dreams, click the link below to register with your name and email address. We are going to send you the details for our free webinar information session.
Now, if you're someone who's coachable and need change, take that bold step. Click the link below and get ready for a journey towards your online success. Click the link, sarahkariuki.net. Blessings to
Blessings to
you
you and thank you.
See you on the inside.